Hi everyone! So for today, we will be talking about all the possible or common questions na tinatanong ng Philippine immigration for those first-time traveler or for Filipino travelers from the Philippines. And for those who doesn't know, during your pre-departure from the Philippines, immigration officers will be asking you questions. With that, I'm going to teach you on how to answer the Philippine immigration confidently. So, let's go. For the first question that they will always ask is kung saan ka pupunta, or they want to know which country you're going to visit. Then you have to tell them the name of the country kung saan ka pupunta. Then that's all. You just have to answer them specifically kung ano yung tinanong sa'yo. Let's say if you're going to Italy, then all you have to answer them is the name of the country, and which is, let's say, Italy. So, yun lang yung dapat na isagot mo. You don't need to add other information because you were just asked for one question, tama? So, you just have to answer them for one question lang din. Okay? Pangalawa, or question number 2, they will ask you kung ano yung purpose ng visit mo or kung sino yung pupuntahan mo. Then, of course, if you're holding a visitor visa, let's say, then you just have to tell them that you're going to visit someone. And if they will follow up question about kung sino yung pupuntahan mo, then you just have to tell them who it is. So, for those travelers, especially for those may mga partners or may mga boyfriend, avoid sharing information na hindi tinanong sa inyo, okay? I know it's very exciting to see your partner or whoever you're going to see here in Europe, but as much as you can, stay focused sa kung ano lang yung tinanong sa inyo. For the third questions, they will ask you kung ano yung current situation mo sa Pilipinas. They would want to know your background. So, if you're unemployed, you just have to tell them that you're unemployed. Pero kapag may employment ka naman, then of course, you have to tell them that you're employed. Okay? Pang-apat or fourth question, they will ask if ever for those sponsored yung trip, they will look for your proof of relationship with the sponsor. For proof of relationship documents naman na pwede niyong ipakita sa immigration are the following: photos of you together, remittances kapag may mga pinapadala sa yung sponsor mo, and sometimes actually the Philippine immigration will look for your phone to check the recent conversations nyo. Kasi personally, nangyari sa akin yan. And I was really shocked the first time because I know that it's my privacy, and then some random person will just look for our conversation. So you have to be aware about this. And for the final question, number 5, they will ask you kung kailan yung balik mo ng Pilipinas. Okay, this might sound lame, but as first-timer, dapat still alam mo kung kailan yung balik mo ng Pilipinas, okay? It's very important na alam mo yung travel itinerary mo. Hindi po pwedeng hindi mo alam, hindi po pwedeng magdadalawang isip ka, sabihin sa kanila yung date kung kailan ka babalik because it will be red flag, okay? So, dapat alam mo kung kailan ka babalik ng Pilipinas. So, those are just some of the most common questions na tinatanong talaga in general. I want you to be familiarized about this. And guys, during your immigration interviews, dapat you have to be honest. So, syempre, kung genuine traveler ka, then of course, wala kang dapat ipangamba, diba? So, you just have to be honest with them because they will know naman if you're telling the truth. Okay? It's not only based on to what you said, but it's also based on your body language. So, dapat be honest talaga and stay focused during your immigration interview. And that's all for today. My name is Jill and I'm a Schengen Visa Consultant Expert. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and join my group page for Schengen Visa and Immigration Experiences from the Philippines. So, kung may mga katanungan kayo and concerns related sa Schengen Visa application nyo, don't hesitate to ask me, okay? You can write your concerns on the group page as well. And kung gusto nyong malaman what are the services that I offer, you can visit my website. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you again next time. Bye!